Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to read aloud what you type? Let's check out the Speak Keyboard Input Aloud feature. First, open any app where you can use the keyboard, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap Swipe Thoughts and Feedback. Next, enable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. Tap on it again to customize how it works. For example, in what to read, you can choose if your phone speaks every character, every word, or both. This is great if you want instant confirmation of what you are typing. In capital letters, you can set it to say capital or even change the beep, which help if you often write proper names or titles. And if you enable phonetic alphabet, instead of just saying A or B, your phone will say Alpha or Bravo. It's super useful when typing complex password or sharing code. As the example, let's set it to read word and say capital for capital letter. To see how it works, go back to your note. Now, type a word.
Hello.
As you can hear, the phone will say its word aloud.
This is me.
With this feature, it's like having a personal assistant confirming your typing, which can be really helpful for accuracy, accessibility, or when multitasking. That's how to make typing on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra smarter with spoken feedback. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.